Hi, so today I'm going to be making a super moisturizing eye cream. This eye cream is amazing. It is very softening, anti-aging, and is loaded with antioxidants. So it has a lot of ingredients, but it's definitely worth giving it a try. And what I've noticed from using this eye cream is that when I apply it to my eyes, my nails grow a lot faster from just having it on my hands, and my cuticles are soft and no dry skin around my nails at all. So it's very, very moisturizing, and you will see a difference in your skin immediately when using this. So the first ingredient that I'm using is shea butter. So this is organic unrefined shea butter, and I'm using L'Occitane. This is an expensive shea butter. This is around $40 for this little tin, but you don't have to use this one. I just happen to like this one, and I'm using it, so I just wanted to actually use up the tin. But you can also use anything that you find on Amazon, like Better Shea Butter, or there's a lot of other great brands out there that you can try. So 1 tablespoon of that. I'm going to be using a teaspoon of argan oil, a half a teaspoon of jojoba oil. I like jojoba oil because it really sinks into your skin, and it's like skin sebum. So it just sinks right into your skin, and it works very well. And the same with argan oil. It's very, very moisturizing and has super amounts of antioxidants. I will be using pure vitamin E oil. This is very thick. So as you can see, this is 14,000 IU. This is pretty thick. You could get this on Amazon, and it's around $10 for this little bottle. But I'm just going to use, I would say, about a 1/4 teaspoon of this, because it's very thick and very sticky, but it's very, very moisturizing and excellent for your skin. I'm also going to be using about a 1/4 teaspoon of rosehip seed oil, which is also very moisturizing and kind of acts like a retinol or retin A. So super anti-aging properties. So you definitely want to add that. And I will be using just about a half a teaspoon of shea nut oil, because I like this cream to be super soft. I don't want to tug around my eyes, so the more oils that you add, the less hard it will become. But if it does become hard, like say you have your AC on or you live in a colder climate, all you have to do really is just put it on your in your fingers and just rub it around, and it'll warm up and soften up immediately, and then you just dab it onto your skin. And always use a very light touch when you're applying cream to your eye area. Okay, so I'm just going to add my argan oil. And I've measured this out, so I know approximately how many droppers I will need, but you can use a measuring spoon. This is an expensive brand of argan oil, Josie Maran, but definitely they have nice ones on Amazon as well. So now I'll be adding the jojoba oil. Vitamin E oil. And that's about it, because this is very thick and sticky. Some shea nut oil. And rosehip seed oil. So I'm not going to warm up this shea butter. I'm just going to immediately start to whip it, and it will come to a nice consistency. You don't have to warm it up. If you want to warm it up very, very little. I would say around 10 seconds in the microwave is all you need, depending on the type of shea butter you're using. But the one I'm using is very soft. Okay, so here we go. And try to mix it on low. I'm using one hand, so I have to go as low as possible, but just gradually, just so it doesn't splash all over at first. If you see that your mixture is too thick, you can definitely add more oil, whichever oil you like. So if I see that this is too thick, I'll probably add more argan oil, because that seems to be my favorite oil right now. I'm going to raise the speed a little more. And I'm going to add a little more oil. Although this is a nice consistency, I still want to make sure that it's going to stay smooth. And you don't have to get any kind of whipped texture. You're just looking to make sure that all the ingredients are combined. That's what you really have to worry about. So as you can see, that's really nice and creamy. And that's exactly what I'm looking for. Okay, so just make sure that there are no lumps. And this is pretty nice consistency, almost like a lotion. People have asked me what do they do if it comes out hard, or always add more oil, or like I said, you can just heat it up between your fingers before you apply it to your skin. So that looks really nice. And I'm just going to show you this. So it's really creamy and nice. And if you find that it's too oily, just apply a little less. But it definitely works. It's super, super moisturizing, amazing ingredients, antioxidants. I use this in the summer. I've been using it, and like I said, my nails and my cuticles are much softer since I've been using it. And you will notice a difference in your eye area as well. And you can use this anywhere on your body. So if you want to make a larger batch for, like, say, your skin, your entire body, or maybe your face. So please try this recipe. It's definitely worth it, and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.